Hello everyone, welcome to the Educon community, and today we will start a new playlist which is blockchain. So, in the very first, we will know what is blockchain. So, blockchain is basically a constantly growing ledger that keeps a permanent record of all the transactions that have taken place in a secure, chronological, and immutable way. So it can be used for the secure transfer of money, property, or contracts, etc., without requiring a third party immediately, such as bank or government. And blockchain is a software protocol, but it couldn't be run without the internet, like SMTP, which we use during we do the emailing. Okay, so this is the basics of blockchain. But a blockchain is a constantly growing ledger which keeps a permanent record of all the transactions that have taken place in a secure, chronological, and immutable way. So let's break down the definition. So the first term is ledger. Okay, so ledger. First one is ledger. So it's a file that is constantly growing. This is known as the ledger. The next one is permanent. So it means once the transaction goes inside a blockchain, you can put up it permanently in the ledger. Next one is secure. Okay, so blockchain placed information in a secure way. It uses very advanced cryptography to make sure that the information is locked inside the blockchain. Next one is chronological. Chronological means every transaction happens after the previous one. Okay, this will happen after this, then this, after that this, in this way. So it's chronological. And the last one is immutable or unchangeable. So it means as you build all the transaction onto the blockchain, this ledger can never be changed. Okay, so a blockchain is a chain of blocks which contain information, and each block records all of the recent transactions, and once completed goes into the blockchain as a permanent database. Each time a block gets completed, a new block is generated. Okay, so the next one is uses of blockchain. So basically, uh, it blockchain mainly uh, use uh, the secure transaction way. So the blockchain technology can be integrated into multiple areas. The primary uses of blockchains are as a distributed ledger for cryptocurrency, and it shows great promise across a wide range of business applications like banking, finance, and government, healthcare, insurance, media and entertainment, retail, etc. So, need of blockchain. So, there are several needs which we where we use the blockchain. So, the first time is time reduction. So, in the financial industry, blockchain can allow the quicker settlement of trades, and it does not take a lengthy process for verification or settlement and clearance. And it's because of a single version of agreed upon data available between all the stakeholders. So the next one is unchangeable transactions. So blockchain register transactions in a chronological order, which certifies the unalterability of all the operations. Means when a new block is added to the chain of ledgers, it cannot be removed or modified. So it is immutable. Next one is reliability. So blockchain certifies and verifies the identities of each interested parties, and this removes the double records and reducing rates and accelerates the transactions. The next one is security. So blockchain uses very advanced cryptography to make sure that the information is locked inside the blockchain, and it uses the distributed ledger technology where each party holds a copy of the original chain. So the system remains operative even the large number of other nodes fail. Next one is collaboration. So it allows each party to transact directly with each other without requiring a third party intermediary. So the next and last one is decentralized. So it's decentralized because there is no central authority supervising anything, and there are standards rules on how every node exchanges the blockchain information, and this method ensures that all the transactions are validated and all valid transactions are added one by one. So that's for this session, and do like, share, and subscribe as much as possible for getting continuous videos like that.